My name is Jamie Sartu, a proud breast cancer survivor and a firm believer in the power of natural healing. I'm here to share how Santay Barley has become a vital part in my recovery and well-being. So, last December 2019, may nakapa akong matigas sa breast ko. Pero hindi ko masyadong pinansin kasi wala namang pain and holidays noon. So, medyo busy kami. Nabalitaan namin na yung isang friend namin is na-diagnose ng breast cancer. So, medyo naging concern yung husband ko na magpatingin ako. So, pagdating namin ng hospital, dumiretso na kami kay doc. Nakita ko sa mukha niya na nag-worry siya. And na-confirm na malignant yung na-biopsy sa akin, kaya in-schedule agad ako for operation. Nakita na yung nag-positive na cell sa akin is aggressive. So yung usual po na 6 months yung chemo, sa akin almost 2 years. Natapos yung treatment plan na hindi ko na kinailangan yung radiation, and sinabi rin sa akin na hindi ako kailangan bigyan ng gamot. After almost 2 years na nagkikimo ka, di ba parang hindi ko maisip na baka kasi bumalik. Buti na lang, may friend ako na 7 years na nagtatake na Santay Barley. In-urge niya ako na itry ko yung barley. I started taking barley June 1. And then, nung July 18, I was declared on remission. And then, nakakatatlong PET CT scan na ako. Ang last is last September 2024. And I'm still cleared with tumors. I'm very thankful for Santay Barley. Dahil sa kanya, sobrang laking improvement ang ginawa niya sa health ko. And I take Santay Barley every day, not just once, but twice a day. Santay Barley is a blessing I am truly grateful for. Ako si Jamie Sartu, a proud Santay Barley user since 2022.